Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the easy and secure process to verify your IPRoyal Pawns account step by step. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your IPRoyal Pawns account might seem tricky at first, but with this step-by-step guide, it becomes an easy and smooth process. First, make sure you're logged into your IPRoyal Pawns account on their official website. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings section where you'll find the verification option. Click on Verify Account to start the process. You will be prompted to upload certain documents, so prepare a clear scan or photo of your government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Ensure that all the information on your documents matches your account details without any discrepancies. After uploading, double-check the images for clarity and completeness to avoid any delays. Submit the documents by clicking the Confirm or Submit button. The verification team will review your submission, which usually takes from a few hours up to 48 hours, depending on volume. While waiting, avoid making changes to your profile information to ensure the review goes smoothly. Once your documents are approved, you will receive a confirmation email, and your account status will update to verified. This verification not only increases your account security, but also unlocks additional features and payment options on IPRoyal Pawns. Remember, always use genuine and accurate information to prevent any future problems with your account. Verifying your account is essential for a safe and optimal experience on the platform, and following this simple method saves you time and hassle. Finally, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder for the confirmation email just in case it ends up there. Follow these steps, and your IPRoyal Pawns account will be verified easily and securely.